Difference between the inspection type 03 and 04. MM02 is the transaction. Material is car-1. Press enter key, quality management view. And in the plant A400, continue. In the inspection setup, I have activated both the inspection type 3 and inspection type 4. If we check the details of the inspection type 3, these are the default settings which are maintained for it. Like we are checking the MICs, the task list will be used. We will be using routing. Okay, and it is non-stock relevant. That's why we don't get the option of stock posting. Whereas when I am selecting inspection type 04 details, here you will find post to inspection stock. This is checked, which means once the goods are received from the production department, we will be doing the inspection. In the case of 03 inspection type, as the term says, in process inspection, when the manufacturing is going on, okay, during the production, we are doing the inspection. So that's why it is non-stock relevant. We will just check the semi-finished material. Whereas in the case of 04, it is a finished material which we are inspecting once the finished material has been produced by the production department and goods has been received, then the inspection will be done in this case. We are actually using the task list, which is an inspection plan, or the material specification can be used. Whereas in the case of 03, the tasks which will be used will be routing if it is a discrete manufacturing. Normally, in the case of 03, we can assign the inspection point if we want to enter the results for the same inspection lot multiple times. Let me show you the routing of this material also. CA02, enter. This is the material and the plant is A400. Enter. In the header level, we can specify the inspection point if I want to do the result recording multiple times for that same inspection lot. We can either use free inspection point or even based on the quantity or the time based. If we are selecting quantity and the time based, then in that case, we have to add the split also. And for that, we have to select the operation, and in the details, we will be adding the split. For the inspection point, we will get the option to specify the split for the quantity based split or you want time based split. So that factor you will be specifying here in the operation in the case of routing. Whereas if I show you the inspection plan also for this QP02, enter, the material is car 1, the plant is A400, enter, and in the header level, here specify the inspection point. We use it for either the physical samples, or if you want, you can use this free inspection point. Normally, we use it for the 03 inspection type. In case of routing, we go back in the header level data. For 03 inspection type, the usage is used as 1, which is for the production. For 03, we use task list, which is routing, whereas for 04, we use the task list, which is an inspection plan. Here we use the usage as 5, which is for the code receipt, whereas in this case, we use the usage as 1 for the production. Here we also specify the inspection points if required. In the operation, routing, when we want to do the inspection for any operation, then the control key which we will be using is relevant to the inspection characteristics need to be inspected. So if I show you the control key details for PP01, Here you won't find inspect characteristics checkbox is not checked. So we cannot use PP01. Instead of that, we will be using PP04. If you see the details, here the inspection characteristics required, this checkbox is checked. So we will be changing the control key to PP04 if I want to do the inspection on this operation. Okay, whereas in the case of inspection plan, here we use the control key QM01, which is again, if we check the inspect characteristics required, this checkbox is checked. So when you want to inspect the MICs, then this checkbox should be checked for that particular control key. Here in the inspection plan, we will be assigning the MIC and the sampling procedure for it. Material type which we are inspecting here, it is a finished material, FERT, whereas in the case of routing, here we assign the MIC and the sampling procedure which will be used. Normally, it is a semi-finished material because the operation is still going on, doing the inspection on some operation and checking the material, which is not the finished material. The material type is HALB, which is semi-finished material.